Namaskar, hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be talking about two prominent things. One is taking risk and second is falling forward. I recently watched a video wherein, Denzel Washington is a famous Hollywood actor is speaking about these two factors. And, I could relate these 2 points to my life, and it won't be wrong if I say that I could relate it to everybody's life, right? Whoever is watching this video right now, I felt that it is very much related to everybody's life. And it's like, taking risk and falling forward is, I related it to my childhood, rather everybody's childhood. Why? Because when we were kids, right, probably 1 year or 2 years, we took a decision of our life that we want to walk, right? We want to take the first step of our life. That was the biggest risk that we have taken according to that particular age. And since that particular moment, rather before that also, and after that also, we have been taking risk according to that particular age which is required. The moment we decided, to crawl, that was the biggest decision that we have taken. And of course, we have taken a risk by doing that, and while doing that, I'm sure we have decided that we are going to fall forward. Why? Because falling forward is nothing but learning from the mistakes that we are doing and growing out of them. So that is something which we are doing, and it is applicable even today. But the problem is, the moment we start growing up as an individual, right, as an adult, we start taking failure as something which is to be feared of. And that is very scary at times, and I feel that it is something which is not right. So that's something which I felt that it is very much required for each and every one of us to identify and understand, because we have been taking risk and we have been risking everything to fall forward right from our childhood. We decided that it's been very long for me to sit. That was the moment when we were kids, right? And we decided to crawl, and we did it, right? That was a risk, and we started falling forward. We learned, we committed mistakes, we decided, okay, this is something which is not right to do. We corrected ourselves. Then we learned the right way of crawling, right? Then we decided, okay, this is it's enough for me to crawl. Now I want to stand. Probably I want to walk as well. We took the risk at that particular moment. We did that, right? I'm sure you can relate to it, right? We did that. We took our first step of our life. Next, we decided that, okay, it's fine. No, I can walk, but what about running? What about riding a bike? What about swimming, right? What about climbing a rock? I don't know. There are n number of things which we might have done in our childhood till the age that we are in today, and we have been taking risks. We have been risking almost everything. Of course, physical risk is to be avoided, but still we took the risk. We learned from our mistakes, right? And that is the point which is very much clearly mentioned in that video also, that when you take risk, there is a risk of falling also. But when you are falling, ensure that we are falling forward instead of falling backward, right? Because it's a beautiful word, beautiful line that Denzel says in that video is, at least if at all I am falling, I want to fall forward, because I'll be at least aware of that what I'm hitting, right, or what is going to hit me. And that is something which was an eye opener for me, that if we want to fall, it's 100% required that we are going to fall forward. And for falling also, even if at all we are failing, I would definitely would like to risk it all, right? So that's all for this video. I hope that this has given you a new line of thought. And if it has, please do share your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.